Welcome to Discovery Depot. Today, we're giving you a quick overview of WordPress, the world's most popular content management system. WordPress is a free, open-source content management system that powers over 40% of websites on the internet. Initially launched in 2003 as a blogging platform, it has evolved into a versatile tool for creating websites of all kinds: blogs, business sites, e-commerce stores, and more. So why do so many people choose WordPress? Here are some key features. Ease of use. Manage your site without coding. Customization. Thousands of themes and plugins available. SEO friendly. Optimized for search engines. Community support. Access a vast library of resources. WordPress is used by beginners and experts alike because it's flexible, scalable, and suitable for almost any type of website. From personal blogs to large-scale business sites, WordPress has you covered. That's WordPress in a nutshell. If you're ready to dive deeper, check out our next video where we'll guide you through installing WordPress. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.